Well, this is Bihar. This is Bihar, and and Bihar accepts that. Bihar doesn't accept Rajiv Pratap Rudy. In fact, no one identifies me also for that matter. And half of you would still not admit that I have been contesting Lalu Prasad Yadav for the last 25 years. Half of you would not even recall that I defeat Rabdi Devi and come here and sit with you. Because the mindset of the people who talk from Bihar is between Lalu Yadav, Nitish Kumar and Sharad Yadav. So all of us who matter in Bihar run away from Bihar and think of Bihar from outside, but there it actually matters. Possibly I thought, and I think this is the turning point for Bihar. I have seen as a child Congress for 30 years. As an MLA, I was the first time at 26 years of age, I started my politics when I became an MLA in Bihar during Lalu Yadav's tenure, and he threw me out of the party in 1 year because he found me different. And everyone thought that I would be winding up in politics of Bihar because I was different. And I've survived 25 years to remain in an assembly with Lalu Yadav, and 20 years down the line getting elected in parliament. It's not that I have been in Rajya Sabha. A small stint, of course, when I was not there. But what's happening to Bihar? And Bihar, if you have anyone has to do any justice, must step in the state of Bihar to really know what that state is in now. And what it has been in for last. I don't know when the sound bites come that social engineering is working, it's caste and caste is working. In Lalu Yadav's tenure in the Congress regime we saw between minorities and the constitution worked. Then came a regime when they started about OBCs and we talked about the backward class and the forward class and the minorities. Nitish Kumar was the finest engineering person who could split the classes further, OBCs into EBCs, Dalit into Mahadalit, Muslims into Pasmanda and other Muslim, and the country says what a wonderful politics it's happening. Forwards into some more combination, the Dalits and the Mahadalits. So the Paswan was a powerful vote bank which was not voting for Nitish Kumar. So Nitish Kumar created Paswan one side and Mahadalit anyone, and the country is acknowledging, and it works. Is the aspirations of those people works, whether you are fed, whether you have roads, whether you have electricity. Who cares? Who has cared for Bihar? And I don't say I have cared for Bihar. I am also a part of the same politics in Bihar, but that vision is still not correct. And when you say, and this is what fervent plea which you are making is, 25 years of Congress rule, seen what? You don't even have a world-class stadium. You don't have a reasonable hotel. And the Maurya Hotel which you talk in Patna is a Farji Maurya name. It's not Maurya, it's a Farji Maurya name. And we still stay, we have booked in Maurya Patna. The editor is coming there and Mr. Jha is coming there to stay in Maurya in Patna. It's a Farji Maurya. And the Maurya hotels could not get its name because they're saying this is my name. And you don't have even a class, I will not get into an argument, you will come back with something. You don't have a stadium, you don't have roads, it's basically we all have actively dwelled to live in a slum and we appreciate it. We talk about museums, we talk about Bhagwan Mahavir, we talk about Buddha, we talk about Guru Gobind Singh, we talk about everything and we eulogize ourselves as, and all over the world the Biharis say that we are the topmost. But you come and step in the state and I can promise anyone can stay for 10 days and write a note proper on that. Yes, if you have to come and see poverty, you see how much the politicians in Bihar have made a fool out of the state. I am no exception. How the politics happens in that state. But it's a very interesting thing. You are more interested in knowing that these people have come together. What will happen to my future? I understand, Kumi. These castes have come together. Failed people who cannot survive without power. And I was talking about Hajipur then, and my friend Lalu Yadav says that open examination is a system, open examination, so you can open books and how do you expect a state to move? But anyway, I don't know, but I still have faith, and one thing I am looking forward in the state of Bihar is not leadership is an issue. Bihar deserves a different government, for once at least, and I think it's my government which we deserve in Bihar for once. How it will happen, it's a difficult question.